Hello everyone, today's video is all about our smoky eyes. Many people wants to do smoky eye for the party and want to play with the dark colors, but unfortunately they don't know how to play with the dark colors. So today we are going to do a smoky eye with black color. Keep watching and thank you. So before starting this video, I just want to give you tips. Like before starting any of your makeup, please prep your skin. I have already prepped my skin, I have done with my base. I'm directly going with the eyeshadow. So you guys, before starting this makeup, please wash your face so that your patchiness, everything shouldn't be reflected. So wash your face and use your toner and any moisturizer if your skin is very dry, and also use your toner along with once you start your makeup, use your primer and then you start your base. So now I'm done with my primer and my base, and now I'm directly going with the eyeshadow. So let's start the video and see how it. So I'm doing my eyeshadow with a gel liner. I'm going to take a generous amount of this gel liner and apply it on my eyelid and start spreading it. Directly I'm taking the gel liner and applying on the eyelid. So until your crease, you're going to apply this black gel liner both the sides. Before it get dry, please blend it as soon as possible. Don't let it get dry so that it won't get blended. So again I'm going to take gel liner on the other side and apply it until your crease. Open your eye and check when the line is not going above your crease. It should come under your crease, and then give a good shape, a round shape. Fill the lid with the black color, don't leave any space. Fill it well. I'm taking a sandalwood brown color to cut this, to soften this outer lines. Okay, I'm going to blend this shade and create a crease. Blend well until the lines get blended. Soften. So as you can see now, I have blended this black color outlines with the brown and maroon color, so that it shouldn't give that harsh lines. I have softened the look. If you want, you can make a little more darker. You can take direct a maroon color and give it a combination of black and maroon, and again you can start working on the So once I'm done with my black outlines, I have been blended well with the help of this maroon color. Now I'm going back. You can take any glitters or anything you want to put it on top. So I'm just going with a black shade which has a shimmer in it. So I'm going to just top up with a flat brush. I'm taking a black shimmer eyeshadow and I'm just going to tap. So as you can see, there is a color left, so I'm just going to take out the extras, blend it well. So to the other side I'm going to do the same. Blend it well with the, first I'm taking a light brown color and then I'm going to work on the crease. So I have finished the eye look. Now I'm going for the mascara. Let's curl the lashes. Now the next step is our mascara. So I'm done with my smoky eye. Now I'm going to do some light touch-ups on my face and let's highlight the face. Okay, come on. So let's contour the face. So blend well. When you're playing with the dark colors, blend well. Shouldn't be any lines when you're working with the dark shades. So always lift on or upwards. No, don't go beneath this line, just go up.
पता नहीं है, मुझे लगता है, मुझे डाउट है।
I'm done with my contouring. Let's go to the nose. We'll contour the nose now. Start with your eyebrow shape. From here you're gonna take and apply. Very light. Keep your hand very light. Same from here. A very important part is blusher. You can use a dabbing technique and you can also use a circular. So let's highlight the look. The very important. Take your fan brush and take a generous amount of your highlighter and you're going on to highlight. Last but not the least, lip liner and the lipstick is very important. So when you're working with the dark shades, always go with the lighter color. When you're going with the lip color, to choose a lip color, go with the light shades whenever you're matching with your dark color. So I'm going with the brown shade and I'm going to just line it out. So let's finish this look with the fixing spray. Let's lock the makeup. So guys, let me know how the makeup look is. If you have liked this look, please comment us and please do like us and subscribe us. Thank you for watching.